What are the factors that affect the timing of the settlement of your Fort Worth truck accident case? Well, there's two main factors you have to take into consideration. One is the length of time it takes to fully recover from the accident. Some people are hurt a little bit, they go to the doctor a few times, they have some therapy and they're better. Some people, that doesn't work out. They need some sort of injections or possibly surgery, then some more therapy after that, maybe a second surgery. Depending on the length of time that it takes to get better, that's going to affect the time it takes to resolve your case. How long does it take for this insurance company to be fair? We have a much harder time getting truck insurance companies to be fair than we do car insurance companies. So a Geico might evaluate a case and they might put a fair amount on it. Same case, the trucking insurance company will not put a fair value on it. They always tend to blame our client and not accept responsibility. Those cases take longer. Why? Because we're not going to settle a case until the trucking insurance company makes a fair and reasonable offer that fully compensates our clients. To get them in the position to do it, we got to keep the case longer. We got to not only wait till our client gets better, but we've got to let the whole litigation process play out. We got to take depositions of the trucker, of the safety director, of the person that should have been repairing this truck. We got to take depositions of the doctors who cared for our client, who helped our client get better. We just keep pushing. We'll try the case in front of a jury if we have to. All of that affects the timeline. A trial is the very last thing of a personal injury case. It starts off with the wreck, it ends with the trial. A case can settle anywhere in between here. And again, just to recap, the two major factors are the length of time that it takes to fully get better and the time it takes for this insurance company to stand up and do the right thing and pay a fair value for the case. And we're not going to sell it till they pay a fair value, and sometimes that takes a long time to get them convinced. Ultimately, our goal is to get fair compensation for our client, and I don't care if it takes 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, we're going to stay in the case until we get them to pay fair value. The length of time, yes, that's unfortunate for the client to have to wait that long, but in the end, we're going to keep pushing until we get a fair offer from the insurance company. And if that takes a jury to do it, fine, we'll go try that case in front of a jury and we'll let 12 strangers who know nothing about the case decide what the case is worth. We have zero problem doing that. If the insurance company don't want to pay us, don't want to pay our clients, we will absolutely do that.